Today, members of the Barbados Defence Force began a 5-month assignment at the Geriatric Hospital, Beccles Road, St. Michael, which will significantly upgrade the physical conditions for the 286 residents. Here is hospital manager Heather Payne-Drakes.
It's going to be throughout the hospital on a phase basis, but right now we have 5 areas that have been impacted. These are units 5A, 6B, 7B, 8B, and the daycare unit. We have made provision for these areas to be relocated into various sections of the hospital. We expect that the entire ambience of the hospital will be transformed. Right now we have some leakage, we have some windows that are out, we have some doors that are not functioning, and this impacts not only clients but the staff and the delivery of health care.
Major Lubin Maxwell, the BDF's Building Rehabilitation Project Manager, is in charge of the work on site. He said his team of 18, including masons, plumbers, electricians, painters, and general workers, was working with a team of artisans from the Ministry of Health and Wellness.
We're going to phase it because we have to shift the patients around. So we're doing the first floor, We do half the first floor on the northern side first. We sterilize as well before we get the patients to move back over.
Persons wishing to visit relatives or friends at the Geriatric Hospital are asked to call the Nursing Administration Unit at 228-2597 to verify the ward to which the patient has been assigned.